Yes, it really works. No more workouts, no pills, no wasted money. I just drank this one thing before bed, and my belly fat is literally melting off while I sleep. It's not some expensive supplement. It's not a starvation diet. It's just a simple homemade tea, made with 7 powerful ingredients I already had in my kitchen, and it changed everything. So what's in this magical cup? And why does it work when everything else failed me? Stay with me. I'll show you everything step by step. If you've tried everything and still feel stuck, like I was, hit that like button. Subscribe to repair our health and turn on the bell. You deserve results that actually work. I was bloated, always tired. I gained 15 pounds I couldn't lose. I tried detox juices, fat burners and low-carb diets, workouts, but nothing stuck. I felt trapped in a body I didn't recognize. Then I found this weird tea recipe people were whispering about online and decided to try it one night. Just 1 cup. I thought, what do I have to lose? Here's what I drank every night and how it began to transform my body from the inside out. Warm 1 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Grate or add half a teaspoon of ginger. Add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Add a pinch of black pepper. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you like. Sip slowly 30 minutes before bed. These 7 ingredients work together to detox the liver, balance blood sugar, ignite fat burning, and reduce bloating, all while you rest. Apple cider vinegar improves insulin sensitivity and stops fat storage. Ginger increases thermogenesis and aids digestion. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar. Lemon flushes toxins and reduces inflammation. Turmeric blocks new fat cells from forming. Black pepper boosts turmeric absorption. Honey adds antioxidants and soothes the gut. The first night I slept deeper than I had in weeks. By night 3 I woke up feeling lighter. My jeans slid on easier. The bloat gone. By day 7 I lost 5 pounds without dieting, without exercising. Just this tea every night and letting my body do what it was designed to do. Are you ready? Comment I'm in below and try the 7-night tea challenge with me. I promise, it's the easiest change you'll ever make. I look in the mirror now and I see me again. My belly is flatter, my confidence is back, and it's all thanks to this nightly ritual. Want even better results? Add a pinch of cayenne to boost fat burning, or steep fenugreek seeds overnight to crush cravings. Avoid fake ingredients, use raw organic honey, real lemon, and always go for Ceylon cinnamon, not the cheap kind. One study found that just 15 milliliters of apple cider vinegar daily reduced body fat in obese adults. Another showed ginger and cinnamon combined burned more visceral fat than diet alone. Can I skip the honey? Yes. Can I drink it cold? You can, but warm is best. When should I drink it? 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach. I feel lighter, stronger, even sexier. I'm finally in control of my body again, not ruled by sugar cravings or late-night bloating. If you're tired of the struggle, the exhaustion, the trial and error, give this a shot. It's gentle, it's powerful, and it just might be the missing key. Like this video if you felt inspired. Subscribe for more natural health hacks that work. And don't forget, your body was made to heal. It just needs the right support. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare provider before trying new remedies, especially if you have underlying conditions.